What up everybody, it's your boy Ryan aka Relentless, and I'm here with an unboxing video. We got today the special box Lobsters. Let's get into them. Let's start with the box. First things first, this box is huge. It is the size of my torso. I don't get how people are gonna store this in their closets. Most closets cannot fit a box this big on a regular display. So it has the cool Salvador Dali lobster phone picture on the front, which is dope. And it kind of has like a picture frame type of vibe to it. And on the back side, it looks like legit the back of a picture frame, and it just has concepts in it, which is kind of dope. Now we got to get to what's inside the box, which is why you came here. So let's jump in. Inside the box, we have two separate boxes, and we'll go through both of those. The first one is this sick bear brick box. So it says concepts on it, and then it has two bear bricks in there. It has the 100% and the 400% bear brick. I've personally never been a fan of bear bricks. I don't understand the hype behind them. It's just a piece of plastic, but some people really like them. I do like this box though, because it's labeled like an SB. It has like the cool label, and it's like a regular shoe box, so I think that's pretty cool. Inside the box, we got a manual that I can't read because it's not, oh, there it is, it's in English. Oh, you can download an app for it. That's pretty cool. Didn't know anything about that. All right, so let's dig into what's actually inside. So first we have this 100%, look how cute this thing is. This 100% bear brick, and it says concepts on it. It's just like an orange bear brick. It's pretty cool. It's very tiny. I don't get why that's 100%. This would be cool if it was like a keychain, low key. Then the 400% bear brick is the cool one. This thing is pretty dang big. It has the headbands that kind of represent the 20-year anniversary of Concepts, although it's a 25th anniversary, but it says 20 years. And then you have the actual bear brick, which is like a big old toy. It's kind of cool. It's a cool display piece if people really like it, especially if you've been into the lobsters over the course of the year. It'd be cool to have this as a memorabilia, as a cool thing to just kind of hang up on your wall if you're a big fan of lobsters. All right, let's pack this thing back up and let's get into the actual shoes. Now the shoes just come in a regular SB box, which I wish for the special box that this would have come in like orange box, maybe like those concepts. I don't know. I think it would have been cool if it just had something different other than just a basic SB box. And I get it because, you know, you have this big box. I just feel like it would have been a cooler touch to it if there was like either an orange box or something that kind of set this thing apart from the regular SBs. Now let's open this puppy up. Inside we have the orange lobsters. Take a look at those bad boys. First off, I don't get this whole rubber band thing. It's kind of cool, but obviously you can't wear that when you're actually wearing the shoe. First impression to me, this shoe is just so pretty. I was expecting it to be like a neon orange, and I'm really appreciative that it's not. And it's more of kind of like a matted orange, and that makes it to me a lot cooler. I love the detail inside the shoe, the picnic pattern, the fat tongue is one of my favorite things. I love that. And just the material overall of the shoe is just so nice. They definitely stepped it up for this shoe. My only complaint that I have is that Nike, you need to fix your quality control, because every single pair of Dunks that's been coming out recently has these glue stains on them. And I don't know, I just feel like it's a problem that could be easily avoided if you just slowed down on production a little bit and did things right instead of mass pushing things out. Now personally, do I think that this is worth spending the resale value of $1,100 on? No. I think the shoe is fire, and you can just buy the shoe in the regular box for about $450, and I would just stick with that. The box is cool and all, but for an extra $600, it really just doesn't justify it for me. Again, I'm not a big bear brick fan, so I don't see the necessary value in this. It's just a cheap piece of plastic to me. I get why people like it. It's just not my thing personally. I would love to have these shoes just the regular box. If you hit for retail, absolutely keep this thing, or flip it and then buy yourself a regular pair and keep the profit. Now, if this box was a different kind of style, I think that would be cool, because then you can at least have the whole package kind of be different than buying the regular ones. Because when you buy the regular lobsters, they're gonna have this exact same box and have this shoe in it. At the end of the day, it's preference. Whatever you guys enjoy, whatever you like, that's what you're gonna rock with. If you think this is worth it, let me know in the comments below. If you'd rather just stick to the regular box, also comment that below and just see who's in it for that hype and who's in it for the real shoe. I wanna give a shout out to my boy Jared for letting me use his special box pair. He hit on these, and I appreciate you, bro, for letting me borrow them. I would have never spent the money to get the special box. To me, like I said, it's just not worth it. But let me know what you guys think, if you guys think the shoe is cool, and let me know what you guys think about the unboxing videos, what you guys want to see more of. We're definitely gonna be pushing out a lot more content here coming up in the future. I'll be posting more unboxing videos, as well as doing some cool other type of videos in the street, interviewing some other people. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like the video, and y'all have a blessed day. Peace.